Good morning, everybody. Happy Monday. There's Z's on my head because it's Monday and we're sleepy and we want it to be the weekend still, but it's not. So we're going to push through it anyways, and we're going to try our best today, okay? This week in phonics, we are learning all about homophones. What is a homophone? Have any of you ever heard of it? Okay, so I have underlined the beginning of this word, homo. Homo means the same, okay? And then we have the word phones. Phones means to hear. Think of when you are on a phone, you can hear the person you were talking to, right? Rather than texting. When you're texting, you just see it, but when you're actually on the phone, you're hearing. So homophone is something that sounds the same, okay? Something that sounds the same. So homophones are words that sound the same. The spellings might be different, the meanings might be different, but they sound the same. Let's tap out our first words, okay? And as I say these words, you can start to think, are there two meanings for this word? Whole. What's the word? Whole. Oh, whole. So think, what does whole mean? Well, it depends on how it's spelled. Here. What's the word? Here. Ear. Here. There. What's the word? There. Air. There. Rose. What's the word? Rose. R-O-Z. Rose. Three sounds. And break. What's the word? Break. B-r-a-k. Break. Four sounds. Again, all of those, the meaning depends on how it is spelled. Let's move on to sound cards, okay? Okay, so this is actually a good time for me to point out that we are also working on the ER sound this week. ER at the end of a word saying and L-E at the end of the word. L-E says and that E is silent. I say, you say, ooh. And remember, if there's an E at the end as well, it still says ooh. B. A, ah. You, ya, I, ed, d, t. Sh. Oi. I. R. Ch. A, o, u. E, I. V. All right, great job. Let's move into our words. And like I said, these are really fun because they are words that sound the same but have different meanings. And we get to have fun and talk about what those meanings are. I'm pulling back the slideshow. Okay, so let's begin. Let's look at these two words here on the left first. And we're going to scoop and read. Then we will discuss the meanings. Okay, so we have air. The word is bear. Down below we have air. The word is bear. Now think to yourself, what do each of those words mean? This first bear is like a grizzly bear or like a teddy bear. This bear is like if you don't have shoes on, you have bare feet. All right. Next up, we have these two words. Let's sound them out. The word is fur. Again, the word is still fur. F-U-R is fur like on a little pup. F-I-R is like a fir tree, like a Christmas tree. Okay, next up, rose. R-O-Z, rose. This one is R-O-Z, rose. Again, rose and rose, they sound the same. What does this row mean? Well, we talk about this all the time in multiplication, right? In multiplication, we have equal rows. And this row, what does this rows mean? Like the flower, like the rose flower. Okay, next slide. Here we have some more homophones. Let's begin. Sound them out. Oh, hole. Now this one is also oh, hole. This hole is like a bunny jumps into a hole. This hole means I ate the whole pizza. I ate all of it. Whole as in all of it. This top hole without the W is like a golf hole where you want to get the ball into the hole, right? So just remember that this hole does not have a W, and the whole meaning all of something does have a W. If you have the whole lot of a pizza, it's the whole thing. So it's this word is bigger and it has a W. Okay, next word, break. The word is break. Same thing, but down below, this word is also break. This one, we have an EA that makes the E, that says A. Here we have the silent E jumping over the K to make the A say A. Either way, they both say break. The first break is if something is hit and knocked over and it shatters and it's broken, okay, break. This brake is like the brake in a vehicle, right? When you're trying to slow down, you press the brake. Next one, this word L-E-S-S, less, lesson. Again, lesson, lesson. Okay, so the first one is what I'm doing right now. I'm giving you a phonics lesson. Down below, we see the only difference is this E instead of the O. This one is to make smaller, lessen, okay? If I put too much clothes in the washing machine, I should take them out. I should lessen the load. Okay, let's continue. Now remember I said we're going to have some oo and words. So let's review these ones as well. We have k, et, o. L-E is saying o. Ket, o. The word is kettle. But of course, when we say it quicker, we're just going to say kettle, like a kettle that you can warm tea, water in for tea, like a tea kettle. Okay, we have an ER at the end, says so we have letter. Letter. I wrote a letter to my parents. This one is going to break in between the double consonant T, so we have bottle, bottle. This one breaks here before the ER, so we have shower, shower. Now I want you to read these words all on your own, okay? Think and then read. Think. Kettle, think. Letter, think. Bottle, think. Shower. All right. Now I want to go over these homophones. This is a little poster I made for my niece. She's in 3rd grade as well. And so she gets to see these every day in her room. So we have 3 different theirs. Now let's look at this first there. T-H-E-R-E. Notice on the R I drew an arrow pointing somewhere. This there is directional. It's telling you a place. That's why we have that arrow. Bring me the cup from over there. So you could point and think there. Let's go over there. It's talking about a place, okay? That's why I have the arrow there. Look at this there right here, T-H-E-I-R. Look at the I. I made it like a little person. I am excited to go to their house. There stands for people, okay? People, there. Whose house? Their house. Now we have one more, there, T-H-E-Y apostrophe R-E. And if you notice on that apostrophe, I drew a little balloon that has an A. because that apostrophe is actually standing in the place for the word are. This there is really they are. They're coming tomorrow. We could also say they are coming tomorrow. Okay, so we'll review these different theirs throughout the week. Let's read. Oh no. So of course, when there's an exclamation point, we want to hear that exclamation point. I spilled, what's this word here? Flour, in the mailbox this morning. Let's read it all together. Oh no, I spilled flour in the mailbox this morning. Okay, now we're going to read it even quicker, more fluently. Oh no, I spilled flour in the mailbox this morning. Now it is your turn. Ready, ready, read. Great job, everybody. Did you catch the homophone in this sentence? If you didn't, the homophone is flower. This flour is not the kind that grows in a garden, but the kind you use for baking. Okay, 1 through 6, get your paper ready. If you need to, pause, otherwise we're going to begin. Number 1, So this is the ending we're practicing this week, Number 2, ooh. This is the ooh that goes at the end of a word. 1, 2, ooh. Now for 3, 4, and 5, you really need to pay attention to my definition or example, because that's going to tell you how to spell the word. So 1 is 2 is ooh, 3, whole. I ate the whole tub of ice cream all by myself. Whole. Okay, now I would only do that if it was one of the small ones, right? Whole. I ate the whole tub of ice cream. So how would you spell whole if we're talking about all of something? Whole. 4, 1. I won the championship game. 1. Yay, 1. 1. 5. Now let's see if you remember that little picture I had for the words there. This there is directional. Bring me the cup from over there. There. I'm talking about a direction or a place. There. Bring me the cup from over there. 1, 2, 3, whole, like a whole pizza. 4, 1, won a game. 5, there. Get the cup from over there. Now our sentence 6. This week we are reading Tops and Bottoms. This week we are reading Tops and Bottoms. Oh, there was a sneak peek of Jaden. This week we are reading Tops and Bottoms. This week we are reading Tops and Bottoms. This week we are reading Tops and Bottoms. Okay, pause if you still need more time, otherwise let's get going. One last time, the sentence was this week we are reading Tops and Bottoms. Number 1, E-R. 2, L-E, like the word purple. 3 was whole, and I said the whole ice cream, the whole tub of ice cream, or the whole pizza, so that's W-H-O-L-E, as in the entire thing. 1, as in I won a game, W-O-N. There, remember I said the direction? The R, we can pretend that the R is pointing somewhere. It's over there. T-H-E-R-E. And 6, this week, capitalize that T. This week is W-E-E-K. We are, A-R-E, reading, so we have the word read, R-E-A-D, and then I-N-G. Okay, tops and bottoms. This word, tops, and the word bottoms are part of the title of its story. That's the actual story we're going to read this week. So I need to capitalize tops. I don't need to capitalize the word and because it's just a connecting word and it's not that important to the text. Bottoms is also capitalized because it's the last word of the title and because it is important. Because it is a story, we can also give it an underline. Tops and bottoms, that's the title of the story we're reading this week. So go ahead and pause here if you still need more time to check your work and head on over to reading. Bye guys.